Hi everyone, I'm David Alamillo from UCANR Risk and Safety Services, and I'd like to talk with you today about use and donning of an N95 respirator. So N95 respirators come in a variety of sizes from a variety of manufacturers, so please be sure to choose one that's the right size and fit for you. Once you have your respirator, be sure to read any instructions that might come with your respirator or even that might be found on the side of the box. You'll want to be sure to wash your hands with some soap and water before handling your respirator, but once you're ready to don your respirator, you can do so as such. Take the respirator into the palm of your hand and get your hand on the opposite side of the straps. Bring the respirator forward to your face, covering your nose, chin, and mouth areas. You'll then want to take the bottom strap of the respirator, stretch it forward and up and over your head, all the way down to the back of your neck. The upper strap can also be stretched forward, up and over your head, and this time, secure it to the top of your head. You'll then want to secure the nose piece by pushing gently and firmly along the bridge of your nose area and upper cheeks. Lastly, you can perform a fit check by covering the front of the respirator with both of your hands and breathing in and out. When breathing out, you'll want to check for any leakages of air. Feels tight and secure to me. I think I'm ready to go. Happy breathing, everybody.